So, what is your first name?
Annabelle.
I'm Tom. We are just curious, what is the coolest thing about living in St. Augustine, Florida?
I think definitely like the history of St. Augustine is really cool. There's supposedly like a lot of ghosts and stuff like that in St. Augustine, and I think that part of it is super cool. And also the beach here is personally I think gorgeous. It's kind of like a hidden gem. A lot of people don't really know about it. So I come here every single year, and my parents have lived here for a long time, so I think the beach and then St. Augustine with the best like seafood around right down the road. With the ghost tours and Ripley's, and then you have Marineland down there, which was basically like the first Sea World. So there's a lot of history here, and I think that's the coolest part about it.
And we've already experienced some of that, so we know firsthand. Well, thanks so much for telling us why St. Augustine is so cool.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. High five.
Thank you.